Hey, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters, and today I'm excited to show you a sharp new addition for your 82 to 86 F-150, our blacked out fender emblems. Blacked out emblems and badges are very popular, and Dennis Carpenter is continuing to expand the options for your restoration projects. This emblem is molded plastic just like the originals, but with a clean black background and a bold black F-150 lettering, and are officially licensed by the Ford Motor Company. It fits either the driver or passenger side, and installation couldn't be easier. Just peel and stick. Use the locating pins for a perfect fit. No special tools are required. If you're aiming for that blacked out look, this is a quick and easy upgrade that makes a huge difference in your truck or Bronco's appearance. And as always, you can find this and many other quality restoration parts for your Ford at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest releases. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok.